Sawadee krab, it's Sawadee Minecraft. So let me tell you, smartphones nowadays are just too vast. Believe me, because on 12 May, the OPPO Reno3 series just launched in Malaysia, and now the OPPO Reno4 series? What? So, is it worth to upgrade to the OPPO Reno4 Pro? Well, today I'm gonna talk about this phone and also 5 things you should know before buying the OPPO Reno4 Pro. Okay, let's look at the design first. So for the colors, it has 2 colors. One is a silky white and one is a starry night. So let's put this aside first. And now let's look at the whole overall design of it. So compared to the OPPO Reno3, this OPPO Reno4 Pro comes with a slimmer body with 3D curved edge design on the front and the back. And on the side, it's pretty slim for just 7.7mm and it only weighs in at 161 grams. So on the back, it has a matte finish design, which is an anti-fingerprint stain cover design. So it's my favorite because you can just rub it and you can't even see any fingerprint stain on it. And if you look at the front, you'll notice that it is similar to the OPPO X2 Pro 5G series. So it will feel more like a flagship phone than a mid-range phone. The whole build and the whole grip feels very comfortable and premium. So number 2, the display. So for the display of this OPPO Reno4 Pro, it comes with a 6.5-inch E3 Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and also it comes with a TUV Rhine certified display. So as you guys know that I went to Penang to explore Penang with the OPPO Reno4 Pro, and the brightness issue is not an issue for me because I've been always exposing under the sun and then I'm using it under the hot sun. Well, I have no issue looking on the screen. Number 3, performance. Let's talk about the performance of the OPPO Reno4 Pro. The OPPO Reno4 Pro doesn't come with the same MediaTek chipset as the previous model, but now it comes with a Snapdragon 720G chipset, which performs a faster and smoother day-to-day performance on your phone and also a better heat dispensation. Yes, now it comes with a new 3D multi-cooling system, which successfully reduced the weight of this OPPO Reno4 Pro, and also it gave a better heat dispensation. So throughout my Penang trip, I've been exposed to hot sun and my own body temperature already gone up to 37 degree or 38 degree because of the hot sun, but throughout my usage of this phone, I never feel a single heat on my hand while I'm using fully on the camera and video capturing. So number 4 will be the cameras. So for the OPPO Reno4 Pro, it comes with this 4 bubble tea eyes camera. You have the 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro lens, and also 2 megapixel mono lens. Yes, it uses the 2 megapixel mono lens rather than the portrait lens because it has this special AI color portrait mode, which you get to play with the RGB, the red, the green, the blue, and also the color retention mode. Okay, so here's the picture sample and also video sample of the AI color portrait mode. So you get to see how I use the red, green, blue, the RGB mode on the video mode, and also the color retention on the picture samples. Other than that, it also has the ultra night selfie, ultra dark mode, and also the night flare portrait, which is my favorite because as you can see for the samples, you can see how professional it looks during the night when you shoot with street lights on the back. You can see all the street lights is blurred out and it's just like shooting with a DSLR. And as for the videos, you can vlog without any stabilizers because it comes with the Ultra Steady Mode 3.0, not just on the back but also on the selfies. And the best part is the Ultra Steady Pro mode, where you will get to use the ultra wide angle camera to shoot a wider dynamic range of stabilized footage. Lastly, for the camera features, now you can shoot up to 960 frames per second of slow-mo footage. So how slow is 960 frames per second? Let's check it out for yourself. Okay, now finally, number 5, the dislikes. So what I dislike about the OPPO Reno4 Pro? Well, the first thing that I dislike about is on the camera feature, which is the AI color portrait mode. Well, I know I've mentioned earlier that I really like the color AI portrait mode, but there's something that I dislike about it as well because this mode only detects human. Yes, the color retention, the RGB mode only works on human because the AI can't really help you to separate the colors between object and object. So you only can use it on humans. And hopefully the future updates, they will have this color AI portrait mode update and you can use it for object separation as well. And for the second dislike will be on the battery itself. Yes, the OPPO Reno4 Pro comes with a standard 4000 mAh battery, which to me is a little bit small for a camera-centric phone because it can only last me for the max of 3 hours of power usage because I've been focusing on the cameras and the video capturing capabilities throughout my Penang trip. But whenever there's cons, there's pros. So how do I solve this? Well, it comes with a 65 watt Super Watt 2.0 charger. So I always bring in the power bank with me and also the 65 watt charger with me. So whenever I use up my battery, I just go to a cafe and find a park point and plug in my 65 watt charger. It can charge from 0 to 100% in just 36 minutes. So finally, conclusion, if you ask me, is it worth upgrading the OPPO Reno4 Pro or worth buying the OPPO Reno4 Pro? Well, to me, if you are a camera enthusiast, you like photography, you like videography, and you like to travel with light backpacks, well, this is definitely your choice because even the Malaysia top 10 photographer Alex Tan also uses the Reno series for most of his photographs. And yep, to me, this is a pretty good camera-centric phone. So if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and also do comment below which feature that you like the most for the OPPO Reno4 Pro. And also remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to catch our latest video updates. I'm Joshua C. Lakon.
And not to forget, the pre-order starts from 3rd of August to 7th of August and you'll receive additional gift worth of 398 ringgit, comprising the OPPO Encore W31 and also 1 year screen protection warranty. And exclusively, you'll get 100 ringgit cloak discount voucher and also a complimentary 120 gig of OPPO cloud storage for 6 months for the first 2000 redemption.